Today we are making these cute little banana walnut loaf cakes with simple and easy available ingredients at home. First things first, in a bowl take 2 ripe bananas, mash with the help of fork, then add half cup melted ghee, keep mixing and add 2/3 cup powdered sugar, sift it properly and mix. Then add 2 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Sift all the ingredients properly and mix until well combined. Gradually add 175 ml lukewarm milk in it. It's around 3/4 cup. Now our star ingredient, walnuts. Fold them in gently. I forgot to add vanilla extract, so I am adding it now. Vanilla extract is completely optional. If you don't like vanilla flavor with banana, don't add it. You can try different flavor like cinnamon. Pour the batter into greased mini loaf pan. Don't overfill them. Sprinkle some walnut. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes in microwave convection. I didn't preheat the microwave for this recipe, but if you want, you can do it. Look at these golden beauties. Let them cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These cakes are so moist and flavorful, and that perfect crunch from the walnut. Seriously, you have to try this. Try it and you will not regret.